Good evening students. Today now I am going to teach second standard English lesson Listen to your body part 2 articles. Do you know the articles? Articles a and the used to point out the nouns are called articles. Now we are learn articles a and an. Articles a and an. How many letters in English alphabet? There are 26 letters in English alphabet. Now you read A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Now A, E, I, O, U. These 5 letters are called vowel letters. A, E, I, O, U. That 5 letters are called vowel letters. Other 21 letters are called consonant letters. Other 21 letters are called consonant letters. Now, A used before a word that begins with a consonant. A used before a word that begins with a consonant. What are the consonant letters? B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. These letters are called consonant letters. Now I tell the example. A cow, k, c, k. What sound? K. Consonant sound. A beetle, b, sound. So B is a consonant letter. D, d. Here consonant sound. B, here also consonant sound. A before the sounds of consonant letters. An used before a word that begins with the vowel sound. A, E, I, O, U. An used before a word that begins with the vowel sound. A, E, I, O, U. An apple, an elephant, an ice cream. Apple, elephant, ice cream, I. That sounds vowel sounds. Before vowel sounds you add an. Before vowel sounds you add an. Circle a or an. First picture ant, duck, book and orange. Ant. What sound? It's a vowel sound or consonant sound? Vowel sound. So circle an. An ant. Next one duck. Duck. What sound? Consonant sound. So you circle A. Next one book. What sound? Consonant sound. So you circle A. Next one orange. What sound? Orange. Vowel sound. So and you circle. Next one, filling the blanks with a, r, an. A, r, an. What is the first picture? Bell. This is dash bell. Bell. B. What sound coming? Consonant sound. So you write a. This is a bell. Next, second one, axe. This is dash axe. Axe. What letter? O. What sound? What sound coming? A. So you write an. Vowel sound. So you write an. A-N, an. Third one, tub. Dub. What sound? consonant sound. So you write Next one, axe. Axe. What sound coming? Vowel sound. So you write an. Next one, eagle. This is dash eagle. E. What sound? Vowel sound. So you write an. Next, this is dash fan. Fan. F. What sound? Consonant sound. You write A. This is a fan. This is a fan. This is a bell. This is an axe. This is a duck. This is an axe. This is an eagle. This is a fan. Next, fill in the missing letters. Fill in the missing letters. What is the picture? Tie. Tie, what is the spelling? T-I-E, tie. Here you write I spelling. I-T-I-E, tie. Next one, belt. Belt, what is the spelling? B-E-L-T, belt. B-E-L-T, belt. Next one, frog. F-R-O-C-K, frog. Now word wall. H-O-M-E, home. S-O-O-N, soon. S-T-A-N-D, stand. U-P-O-N, upon. F-I-R-S-T, first. C-A-M-E, came. G-A-R-L, girl. F-I-N-D, find. O-F-F, off. W-O-O-D, wood. L-O-N-G, long. T-A-K-E, take. Tick the words you see in the word wall. First one, home, hum, hut. Which word you see in the word wall? Home, home. Second one, sun, say, soon. Which word you see in the word wall? Soon, soon. Next, third one, shut, stand, stack. Which one? Which word you see in the word wall? Stand. Fourth one, can, came, come. Which word you see in the word wall? Came. Fifth one, take, tick, talk. Which word you see in the word wall? Take. Read aloud and circle the words you see in the word wall. I came home soon. Which word you see in the word wall? Came, home, soon. These three words you see in the word wall. Another one, find the pen. Which word you see in the word wall? Find. Third question, ring the bell first. Which word you see the word wall? First. Fourth one, stand in a line. Which word you see in the word wall? Stand. Fifth one, off you go. Which word you see in the word wall? Off. It was a long day. Which word you see in the word wall? Long. Circle the add pair. Circle the add pair. First, what is the picture? Pant. Pant we wear in legs. We wear in legs. Next one, shoes. Shoes we wear in feet. Next one, shirt. Shirt we wear in below the neck. Here what word is given? Head. So this is the add one out. This is add one out. Let us practice. Let us practice. First one, here more action words are given. Run, jump, lift, climb, sing, ride. These are action words. First one, the girl. What can I do? I can run. Next, the boy. What he can do? Jump. He can jump. Third one, the girl. What she can do? She can lift. Next one, the girl. What she can do? She can climb. Next, the boy. What he can do? He can sing. Next, the girl. What she can do? She can ride. Choose and write the correct one. The boy, what he can do? He can read. He can read. Next, the girl, what she can do? She can swing. She can swing. Next, the boy, what can I do? I can swim. I can swim. Thank you, students. Meet the next class.